We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to take you on a walk from the Springmaid Pier down to the Myrtle Beach State Park Pier. I had to start really quick and show you these horseback riding here on the beach. That's pretty cool this morning. So take a look back towards Springmaid Pier. That's right here, and that opened up back up in 2020. It was destroyed in a hurricane and they rebuilt it, so it's cool to see that back. And we've got Spirit Air going overhead. Let's take a walk down the beach towards the state park. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new to our channel and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. And a big shout out to our subscribers. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. There goes Spirit Air out over the ocean. Got a surfer out this morning. It is a picture perfect, gorgeous day. Really, really beautiful. It's like there's a nice breeze. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's just perfect. So if you're not familiar, we're at the southern end of Myrtle Beach, and technically right here after these RVs is the beginning of the Myrtle Beach State Park. And despite its name, the Myrtle Beach State Park is not in the city of Myrtle Beach. It is in the county. The county is Horry County, and it's part of the county. So right now we're technically, stepping outside of Myrtle Beach at the southern end. So this is at the southernmost point of Myrtle Beach's Ocean Boulevard. There's multiple Ocean Boulevards here, but the section of Myrtle Beach's Ocean Boulevard that you see us do videos of, I'll link one of those in the description below. That is at the southernmost point when we film those videos. That's where we started here. Wow, the horses are galloping now. I haven't seen horses on the beach in a long time. I've seen them before, but it's definitely been a long time. Ocean looks lovely. It's probably a good day for surfing or bodyboarding. There's some good waves rolling in. Let's go down here. Got the horseshoes. Get a little bit of the ocean sounds. Beautiful, the birds. Uh-oh, ocean is about to get me. You see people up here with their dogs. Dogs are allowed on the beach during certain hours. It depends on the time of the year and the time of the day, so definitely keep a watch on that. You can find that out on Myrtle Beach's website. There's a City of Myrtle Beach website. They have all the rules and regulations, everything you need to know. But dogs are allowed at certain times, and we're here in the morning when they are allowed. And also during off season, there's fewer restrictions on that kind of thing. So if you bring your doggies with you, they can enjoy the beach too. There also cover regulations on the City of Myrtle Beach's website on things like what kind of coverings you can put up on the beach, because you can't put big tents up certain times, and also on like whether you can bike and that kind of thing. You can bike on the beach. You cannot bike on the boardwalk except during certain times. So all that's covered on their website. It's actually very useful for those kind of informational things. Same with fishing, all that kind of information. So the reason you're not seeing any hotels or anything over here, this is the Myrtle Beach State Park. There is an admission to get into the state park, and they also have annual passes if you come a lot. You can look into that, and the annual pass covers all South Carolina state parks, so not just Myrtle Beach State Park. And also includes some other cool things, so check that out if you're interested. Huntington Beach State Park is just south of Myrtle Beach, not very far. I'd say it's about, from where we are right now, 20 to 30 minutes, probably closer to 20 minutes. And so that's another state park that would be covered with that annual pass. And the annual pass also covers your entire car, and you can change it between cars. It doesn't even have to stay with the same car. So that can be really advantageous if you have a big family and you want to share it. But if you want to pay, you can pay by the day as well to get into the state park. And they have campgrounds, they have cabins, RV parking, of course. But you can just pay to come in for the day even if you're not camping and staying there. And they have this pier. The pier is included with your admission to the park. And they also have fully functioning restrooms, which is a definite plus if you're spending the entire day at the beach, because Myrtle Beach does not have public restrooms. There's of course restaurants and stuff that have restrooms if you're a customer, but there are not, city public restrooms at Myrtle Beach on the beach. Huntington Beach State Park as well has restrooms, and someone recently asked me where's a good place to hunt for shells. Shells are very random. As you can see today, there's hardly any shells on the beach. It's completely random when you find shells and how good they are. But Huntington Beach State Park has really good shells because they have a jetty that goes out into the water. And I think that kind of traps the shells. So if you're really into shell hunting, I definitely recommend checking out Huntington Beach State Park. Again, no guarantees. It might be a day where there's not any, but it's where I found some of the most beautiful shells that I have collected over the years. I went fishing. Quite a few people here fishing. Might be staying at the state park and then enjoying some early morning fishing since we're down here at the state park now. Now the beaches at Myrtle Beach, if you're not familiar, are public. So regardless of the fact that this is at the state park, it's still public. So you still walk on the beach whether you're at the state park or not. All of the beaches in South Carolina are public. Now the property leading up to the beach may not be public, and that may be restricted, but once you're on the beach is public. Yeah, lots of fishing today. So do you enjoy fishing? Leave us a comment below and let us know. We have fished in the past. It's not something we actively do on a regular basis. I grew up fishing with my father. Fished a lot when I was younger. My dad actually had a boat and we did a lot of fishing. But as adults, we have not done it that much. But it's still a very fun thing to do. Let's go around. I don't want to interfere with any of their fishing poles. Go up here towards the state park. So this is one of the, if you're staying at the state park, one of the beach accesses that you would come out, just like this gentleman right here is doing. So there's a little peep into the state park. It's very beautiful. Great place. We definitely recommend it. We have a video on the state park, and I will link that in the description below. Another Spirit Air. As you may have guessed, the airport is very close by here. And typically, the planes actually come in over the ocean and land. So they're going the opposite direction today. And but the airport is very, very close. We're very near the airport at the moment. Let's move back down towards the water because it's hard to walk in this deep, squishy sand. It's pretty neat too. If you're down here at this section of the beach, sometimes you get to see the military, like fighter jets, go by, or other military planes. They land a lot of those planes and take off from the Myrtle Beach airport, and that's really cool. Yesterday, as a matter of fact, I saw several fighter jets go over, not here, but in Myrtle Beach, and so that's pretty neat. I really enjoy seeing the military planes. And at the 4th of July, if you didn't know this, they have the salute from the shore. You can go up to the boardwalk area, but it's all up and down the beach. So, I mean, you don't have to be at the boardwalk, but that's a great place to watch it. And they fly over both vintage and modern military planes and jets, and including like bombers, like really big planes. So it's just really, really cool thing to see. Very patriotic, very enjoyable. I believe it's usually around 1 p.m., but just check their website. You can Google Salute to the Shore, 4th of July, Myrtle Beach, and you'll be able to find the information. And they do that every year, and it's really something to see. Definitely recommend that. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Just have a few moments of quiet to listen to the ocean. So have you been to the Myrtle Beach State Park? Leave us a comment. Or have you been to Huntington Beach State Park? Leave us a comment. And a tip on both of the parks, if you do decide to go there, and you decide to go there on a very popular day like the 4th of July, since we were just talking about that, be sure you get there super early. We have seen literally 1 to 2 mile long line of cars to get into the park on the 4th of July. It can get very, very busy and popular because there's a lot of picnic tables, picnic shelters to have, family gatherings. So you definitely want to get there really early if you're interested in going on a major holiday that's a tourist, summer warm day like say Memorial Day, 4th of July, those type of days. Definitely get there early. That's what's so nice about the park though. You can make a full day of it, and they have hiking trails, all kinds of stuff. So it's definitely a fun place. Now we're coming up closer to the pier that goes with the state park. This is the state park pier. And they do have fishing there as well. I know I've mentioned this before if you watch our other videos, but to fish from the beach you need a South Carolina fishing license. If you're going to fish from a pier, you do not. Most piers charge an extra fee for fishing, and that covers basically the fee you would pay for your fishing license to the state of South Carolina. So if you don't have a fishing license but you want to fish, definitely head to a pier. That would be your best bet. And you can just pay the fee to the pier and you don't have to worry about securing a South Carolina fishing license. Ah, so nice. So beautiful. It's really a perfect day. We have a lot of amazing days here at Myrtle Beach like this. Most of the year the weather is just amazing. It's of course brutally hot in the center of the summer, but that's not too bad because you got the ocean breeze and you can go swimming in the ocean. That was funny, I just saw a little bird riding the wave. And then the winters are fairly mild. Don't get me wrong, we have some really cold days. It happens, especially again, you get the wind off the ocean, it can be really chilly. But compared to our friends up north, and hello to all of you that are watching, we have much warmer winters, much milder winters here. Very enjoyable. And we get some of these nice days. I mean, we're not in the winter now, but we get days almost like today in the winter. We get 60s or 70s occasionally. It's not all the time, but you get some really pleasant days in the winter between the chilly days. And I'd say we also have more sun in the winter than up north. We get rainy days just like everybody, but I'd say we have more sunny days. I'm honestly glad to have winter behind us though. I'm ready for warmer weather. And consistently warmer weather. So right there, they have some snacks in that shop at the state park, bathrooms. They have a gift shop. You can buy things there that you might need for fishing, that kind of thing. Sunscreen. And then the pier. Beautiful. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.